Hello everyone, welcome to Myosa, my project Neo-Sentry 1.0. Welcome to the NICU ward. Every year, 13.4 million kids are born premature. Our project is a smart incubator. Let us begin with the setup of our smart incubator. Here we have the power source for our ESP32, motion sensor, temperature sensor, OLED display, and flashlight sensor. On the motherboard we have the buzzer and external power source and relay module, especially for the fan, and an LED bulb to demonstrate heating. Let us begin with the demonstration of motion sensor. Here we have a mobile on vibration and thus the stillness count doesn't change. But as soon as I switch it off, the stillness count starts changing rapidly as it was used to demonstrate heartbeat. As soon as the stillness count reaches 10, we get a notification, and after 14 seconds, we get another notification for buzzer on. The buzzer is recovered using the flashlight, and we also receive a notification. Here, red LED is glowing because temperature in the incubator is less than the desired. Also, we have received an alert for the same. Here we can see that the fan is on because temperature is higher than the required threshold, and we have also received a notification. This is the live ThinkSpeak screen where we can see the plotting of graph from Neo-Sentry 1.0 autonomously. We have readings for temperature, pressure, humidity and mobility. It gets updated every 20 seconds on its own. This is the live screen for Neo-Sentry data in Google Spreadsheet. Here it gets updated every 20 seconds along with the live timestamps. It shows data for temperature, pressure, humidity and mobility.